He gave us Bill Potts, who's Pearl Mackie over there in the corner. This is the last companion we've seen with the Doctor. Also an out lesbian at that time when she was introduced as a character. So these are big steps in a show that was bent originally for children, right? These are big cultural influential steps. So I tend to like Stephen Moffat. Also, in the layout before the announcement of a female Doctor Who, he gave us a female master. Right? And this was a huge surprise to people. So they were laying in the groundwork so you wouldn't be so shocked when the Doctor turned into a woman this year. In this case, Missy is what they called her. These are all the men in the past who had played the regenerations of the Master. And they're all from previous, most from old Who, and then right up front we get a couple of the newer Who guys. So he planted that in the storylines so we would have that character to deal with. And I love Missy. I think she's like Mary Poppins on bad steroids. But she's quite a fun character, right?